Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick execution using your melee weapon. So what you need to do is click your loadout first. So change the secondary weapon to the melee weapon. So feel free to choose what's your favorite melee secondary weapon. For example, I'm using this katana. Quick equip the katana. Let's get back to our home page. Click this setting at the top of your screen and then click the basic setting. Scroll down. Try to search the execution settings. So usually by default you are using the long press to execute your enemy from the back, and also you can change to one tap execute. Let's try the one tap execute before because with long press one you have to wait 1 second to execute. It takes a time. Let's try the one tap and turn off the quick knife. Let's try to the gameplay. So welcome to the gameplay. So use your melee weapon. Let's try execute the enemy. As you can see, click the execute by one tap. Yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.